I'm going to record this to hold myself accountable. Write a loop that makes 7 calls to console.log to output the following triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It may be useful to know that you can find the length of a string by writing length after it. Okay, so I'm going to do it here. Get rid of all this. You can set a program that prints out the numbers 1 to 7, which you derive by making a few modifications to the even number printing example given earlier in the chapter where the for loop was introduced. Something pops out. Now consider the equivalence between numbers and strings of hash characters. You can go from 1 to 2 by adding 1 plus 1. You can go from pound to pound by adding a character plus equals pound. This resolution can closely follow the number printing program. Yes. That's the one I wanted to put on the wall. Man, I really want to say that. See if I can memorize this. I'm just going to call it P. Let P equal, oh God. Let me see if I can do this as a string. Where are my symbols? Yes, got it. Let P equal lot. Do I need to write that? Yes. Okay, and then while it's less than or equal to 7, while P is less than or equal to 7, I think I need the squiggly marks, right? Where are you? There you are. Console.log. Wait a second. I did not put that in parentheses. Console log P. Wait, we need, yes we do, we need parentheses. And then it's going to be P equals P++. Oh crap, it's the solution, I don't do that yet. P equals P++. I'll try it without that. Doing something wrong. Don't want to do the answers. Okay, closer. See if I change this to P. It didn't work. And then when we use the length, it's useful to find the length. Well, okay. Dot length. That's just gonna come out as 7 though. What am I doing? I need a loop. What am I doing? I need a loop. I need a loop. Can I use that? I'll never use that. Just use the while loop here. This is a while and do loop. For loop. I think I need this one. What am I doing wrong? I want it to console log that. Console log B. It's not printing anything out though. It gave me a hint here. Plus equals ready symbols. Nothing is printing. Oh, that's the problem. It's never going to give me a number. P dot length. Oh, just did the opposite way. P dot length is less than or equal to 7. Dun! Oh my god. Oh my god. It feels really good to get that. How long did that take me? Where's the time on here? 9 minutes. Sorry, for everybody who's watching this. It feels really good to get that right without looking at the solution here. Looping a triangle. So how did they do? Oh, they did use a for loop. That's cool. I did it another way. I thought I had to do it the while loop. Printing that out on paper, writing it by hand. I'm gonna write it by hand. Put it on the wall. FizzBuzz, write a program that uses console.log to print. I've done this. I've done this in Thankful, and I should be able to do this right now. should do this over and over again until I remember it. Going over the numbers is clearly a looping job, and selecting what to print is a matter of conditional execution. Remember the trick of using the remainder operator for checking whether a number is divisible by another number that has a remainder of 0. In the first version, there are 3 possible outcomes for every number. So you have to create an if-else chain. That's all I gotta do. That's all it is. We gotta do this stuff over and over again until I memorize it. The second version of the program has a straightforward solution and a clever one. The simple solution is to add other conditional branch. Don't check it out. It's that one. Alright. I've done this. God, it's gonna take me a while.